Final trade of the month, making $170 trading T-Mobile, baby. We're going with T-Mobile. Fuck Verizon, AT&T, all that shit. T-Mobile. We have hit all-time highs, and we played an all-time high breakout, and it worked. So that's a trade recap for today. We made $170, and let's get into the charts that I want to cover. First things first, though, I do want to log my setup, which was a bull and a bull flag setup, and I want to log the 1-day chart as my time horizon. Could I say that it was a weekly chart? Yes, I could, but I'm going to call it daily. I just cut this thing off right now. A couple of reasons why. It's about 2:53 Eastern time on Friday, May 31st. Do I have any idea that we are going to go up higher or lower? Not necessarily. I did have a target at 173, which would have been a really nice risk reward, about a 2-to-1 risk reward on what I was playing off of. But I decided to take the profits here as I looked at the chart and I said to myself, holy shit, dude, that's a great move. Simply as that. I said, holy shit, it's a great move. It's a Friday going into the weekend. There's really no need to hold this thing into next week. And I looked back at the chart for T-Mobile and I said to myself, how many times throughout T-Mobile's recent history over the past couple of years do I see a similar situation where we've had this many green days in a row? I don't see that many, if at all. We may be on one of the biggest green streaks T-Mobile's had in a long time. I guess maybe you can go into the period right in here, kind of, maybe, but we're rivaling that right now. So when you look back at that and you say to yourself, you know what? It's not a bad time to take some gains. Could it go higher? Yes. Am I not the best at scaling out slowly but surely? Yes, I am not. However, at the same time, when I achieve my take profits, or when I achieve a much better than a 1-to-1 risk reward on trades, I am not going to complain because I know my numbers. I know my data over 1,000 trades. If you've been watching the trade recaps as of late, you know we've now logged over 1,000 trades on TradeZilla, which is awesome. So that's why I took it off. But absolutely beautiful play. I mean, you couldn't have asked for a better break. Now, did I know it was going to happen right now? No, because you could have gotten in right here and be like, ah, shit. You could have gotten in here and faked out. I just happened to stumble across T-Mobile a couple of weeks ago or whatever, and I was like, hey, looks pretty good. I set an alert on the breakout point at 166. We got the alert. We had the volume come in. We went for it, and it worked. Simple as that. Sometimes they won't. Sometimes they will. This one worked really nice, and I look back at the chart. A lot of wicks, a lot of ups and downs, right? So considering the move we just got, this is awesome. I'm going to lock the gains. Jump out to the weekly time frames. I mean, this is why it's the same setup on the weekly time frame. Beautiful setup. Simple as that. You know, very nice volume. Looks good. Could go for more. Totally could. I'm just going to lock my gains here, finish the month out with a nice winner, and that's the deal. So that's the recap. We are going to jump back, or I'm going to now film a month recap. So you're going to see the month recap next. Stay tuned for that. That'll be coming out probably tomorrow from when this video gets posted. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Link to TradeZilla, like always, in the video description box.